Please listen carefully.
Hey there, skiers and riders. My name is Jay Roy, and this is your Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update for Monday, January 7th. The machines are pumping around the clock, adding to the 95 million gallons of water that we've turned into fresh corduroy this season. We have a total of 22 trails today, with 5 lifts running for everyone from the beginner to the pro. The park up on Franny's Folly is looking good too, with a few rails, boxes, and jumps to tide you over till we have Hitchcock up and running. All right, now I'm on top of... I can't remember what that is. Here, what's your name?
Danny.
And what do you love about Wachusett?
The crew here, man. They're always making snow, always trying to get us back in the mountain as quick as possible.
All right, nice to meet you, man.
You too.
We're starting out with mostly sunny skies today, turning to snow showers later on. The high today is around 26, and the wind is going to top out at 10 miles per hour from the northwest, so make sure to bring an extra layer. National Law Enforcement Appreciation Day is Wednesday the 9th. There's a discount for firefighters like me, military, police, and law enforcement with an ID. As always, stay tuned to my video reports on social media, and don't forget to go to Wachusett.com for all your discounts. I'll see you on the slopes.